one personal record setup goes. Yes! Personal record setup! Finally! No breaks! I'm so happy for this! Hello there, I am Domino Rally, and I'm glad you watched this video. I hope you liked it. This setup had 3001 dominoes. The reason I was trolling myself, because my previous personal record attempt had 3000 dominoes. But remember, it had a break, so I tried to do another one that didn't have a break, and it didn't. Besides, I found a random domino lying around the house, so I thought, hey, why not? So I'm so glad of having achieved a personal and possibly national record. Another one. Now you might ask, why am I not posting as much videos as before? Well, I'm in college right now. I didn't have to move out because it's only 10 minutes away by bus, it's pretty close. But still, I got to study like 50 hours a week. Crazy. So I have to dedicate lots and lots and lots of time to it. And that gives me much less time for dominoes. However, I somehow got enough time for doing this video, and I try my best for doing more videos. You know, more screenings and so I can keep my channel alive. And of course, interacting with the domino community. Well, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.